Guys, today I'm going to be doing a video all about my Jordan 1 High Lucky Greens. They're in this box right here. I recently got these and I'm obsessed with them. I love them. I always wanted a pair of Jordans since like the past 5 to 6 years, but it was always difficult for me to get them. You have to go to third-party places to buy them. I just really wanted to elevate my style. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I got the US size 9. These are in women's sizes. In men, these would be a 7.5. I did order them from the Go app. These are what they look like. And I did lose the chain to it, so ignore me. I don't really wear it with this on anymore, so I just put this for the video purposes, but they do come with that. It just says Nike Air. And they did have the black laces already on. Attached, it had the green laces and the red laces as well. I normally just stick to the black laces because I feel like the red just makes it look all Christmassy and stuff, so I just stick to the black. I have worn them with the green a few times, but I do prefer just to wear black because I always wear black. And so this is what the shoe looks like up close. As you can see, I have worn them, so the bottoms are to show some wear. Nike symbol is in black shiny leather, and the rest of the shoe is just a very, very soft leather. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't know if you guys can tell what the leather looks like, but it's extremely soft. Like, you can tell it's very good quality. And on the sides, the Air Jordan symbol is in red, which I actually like the little, you know, pops of red on the shoe, which is what made me like them a lot. Around here is actually cream, like an off-white, and as you can see, the rest of the shoe is a real true white, so it gives a nice balance. This part is in red, and this is what the inside looks like, as you can see. If you guys didn't know, this shoe is inspired by Michael Jordan's game against the Boston Celtics. So this is why it's in green and red to, you know, show the Celtics inspiration. I did order these shoes from the Go app, which is similar to StockX. I did my research and I felt that Go app was more reliable compared to StockX because people have talked about getting fake shoes from there, so I was not trying to play with that, so I just went ahead and got them from the Go app. The list price for my shoes were $276, and I did pay for priority processing because I was excited and wanted to wear them soon, so that was another $18. The subtotal was $294, and then of course you had to pay for shipping, which is $12, and then tax $23.72 in total. The shoe was $329.72. I know they retail for like $170, so it is kind of crazy that it was $329, but like I said, these are shoes that I've been wanting in general for about 5 years. I remember when they first came out, I believe they came out last year in October, and I remember when they were going to release them, and I put them in the calendar because I was going to buy them, but I ended up not buying them. It was an investment for me. I'm going to be wearing these for a long time. I knew I could style these with, you know, all black outfits, and I just like how it's a pop of color, and I just love how these look. I don't know why, I just love how they look so much. And another thing I'm going to tell you guys about is the fact that I put in these plastic covers in them. These are to protect the tongue of the shoe. I don't know if you call this a tongue, but you know, this part of the shoe, so it doesn't crease. So I just put those in there, and they actually came a different way. I just cut them to mold into my shoes so it fits me more comfortably. And of course, when you wear socks, it's not as bad. You honestly get used to having these in there, and most of the time I wear my thick Nike socks, so it's honestly not an issue. So I do recommend getting those if you care about your shoes creasing. If not, it's totally fine. It's just a preference. I have them in my white Air Force Ones as well. I bought these from Amazon. I believe they were about $8, and it came with a pack of 2 of them. So I'll definitely link those down below if you guys are interested. I really like these shoes. They're super comfortable. I was really surprised with how comfortable they are. The leather is just really good, soft, comfortable quality. I really recommend it. I have some Nike Air Force Ones, and I definitely think that these are way more comfortable. And this is how I lace them. I don't know if people show these, and I don't know if people show that in their videos, but I just lace them like that, and I do stop right there because I feel like it's easier to put them on and then lace them that way. I am going to be showing you guys how I style these shoes, so continue to watch if you want to see how I style mine. In this outfit, I decided to wear all black. I just threw on my black button-up jacket that I purchased from H&M with some black leggings and of course my white Nike socks. This is the next outfit. I just threw on my black North Face jacket. I'll link it down below. It's just a cute outfit to wear in the winter, and of course the black leggings and the white Nike socks. Here I'm just showing you guys the jacket up close. In this outfit, I just threw on this graphic crew neck shirt that I got from Forever 21 a few years ago. I love this outfit because it's, you know, colorful, but it's not too much. I don't really wear too much color, but this is the perfect amount for me if I feel like doing that day. In this next outfit, I just decided to throw on this white Nike crew neck sweater that I got from the men's section at Macy's. I just love how cute and comfortable this outfit is. This is if you want to make the outfit look more sporty and just chill. This is the last outfit I decided to style. I'm just wearing this gray hoodie that I got from TJ Maxx, and I just love how it has the subtle hints of green on it, and it says New York, and then I just decided to style it with these baggy black sweatpants that I purchased from H&M, and of course the white Nike socks. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.